Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because saved passwords live behind authentication. Go straight to Accounts, Passwords, or Security. Once there, select the relevant account or app. You must authenticate, enter your device PIN, biometric, or admin password. This step protects you and explains why systems hide passwords. Once verified, options to view, copy, or export passwords appear. Make sure to pause and confirm you're on your own device. This prevents accidental exposure and keeps the process legitimate and safe. Once authenticated, locate the specific saved entry, website, app, or Wi-Fi network. Tap it to open details, then use the eye icon or view password control to reveal the text. The system will usually ask you to confirm via PIN or biometric again. This is deliberate security. If you need the password elsewhere, copy to clipboard briefly or use the built-in export function to move credentials to a secure vault. Make sure to clear clipboard after and return to Settings to lock access again. Finish by re-locking Settings and removing any temporary copies. You want the device protected immediately. If the password doesn't appear, check that password sync is enabled, you're signed into the correct account, and that a credential manager was used originally. Sometimes entries live in a different profile. If retrieval fails, use official account recovery or reset procedures rather than guessing. Troubleshooting tip: if viewing is blocked, enable full device authentication or sign into the same account on the originating device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.